I'm begging, guys, please. Please, guys, please. I'm begging on behalf of Mercy. She's my friend and she's been supportive. And I know how much people don't.
Ẹ̀yin wa arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Kẹ́mi Afọlábí tí ó jẹ́ òṣèré tíátà ó ti jáde wá ó ti sún síta báyìí ó sún síta nítorí ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí Mercy AIGBE. Ẹ̀yin wa kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ wàhálà ńlá ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé òpin torí wípé ìjà ńlá ló tún fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí.
People remember when they no longer see you on the screen, or maybe you are just inactive. I am begging on her behalf. She did not send me this, and I know she's always a very strong woman, and I just feel so bad that she has to go through this. I'm begging you guys, please, 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 any support you guys can give her at this time. Can you stop trolling her, please? I am begging. I don't plan this, but I know we're all human and nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. I feel so bad how some people, because I already know about their house, obviously, like we talk like every other day, and I know how she feels, but she has people who support her and who has told her, okay, it's not a big deal. It's a big deal, but because if you want to think about everything that has gone down, everything burnt down from our property, the house itself, all the stuff inside the house, the even equipment, filming equipment, a lot of things, because she's not been in that house, that got burnt. I can't believe people are still trolling her. This is unfair. Please don't. Honestly, it's not easy. It's